Hello, so you've turned in your homework and you got the little comment from me or Chris that says something about echoing your variable. And I thought I'd shoot this little short video to explain what it is we actually want or what I'm looking for. Okay? So I chose a problem from the book, chapter 4, problem 5. You might recall it was a car that traveled 2,781 miles on 105.34 gallons of gas. What is the car's fuel efficiency in miles per gallon? Okay, display the value to two decimal places. Consider using the variables named gallons and miles. Okay, so it's not a very difficult one, but I did it a couple different ways. The first way I'm going to show you is the minimum way. Okay, this still works, it's still right, but it's kind of the absolute minimum hunk of code that you can do. So I went ahead and I created those variables, miles and gallons. I put the values in there, okay, the miles that traveled and the gallons. And I do a little bit of mathemagic here to figure out the MPG, or miles per gallon. And I simply output this string. I actually didn't have to put that there because it's going to be a default of two decimal places. I'll go ahead and run this, and you can see I get a nice short answer, which is right, but it's not very good for a high grade. So we've got the absolute minimum here. So let me do one that is good, quite a bit better actually. And again, I'll leave it in there this time. So this time at least I'm going to output a complete sentence. Everything is the same. I do my mathemagic. And now I go ahead and put out a complete sentence with a concatenated string, and I go ahead and put the MPG in here. And you can see that when I run this one, it's going to look quite a bit better. And I would say this is good work. You've got a complete sentence. The output is easy to read. It's perfectly clear. Let's go to excellent work. This is where you echo the variable. Okay? So in this particular case, I've went ahead and in my output string, I've included the variables. All right, so here's the miles variable, here's the gallons variable, and I output a complete sentence with the echoing of those variables. All right, and it's awesome because as we go further down the line, let's say for example I wanted to know if it traveled 3,000 miles. All right, I don't have to do anything else. I change this one number, and the output string is going to tell me everything that I need to know that happens within the calculation. And here you can see the 3,000 appears the same gallons, and I now have a different MPG, or fuel efficiency. So that's what I mean by echoing the variable. Okay, they're coming in the output string. Hopefully this was useful, and I'll see you guys again soon.